Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Rapid Mean King. Before I start this video, make sure you guys go like and subscribe. And today we are going to be something a bit different. I'm going to be creating a small little game, and we are going to be creating it's gonna be a small little game where you drag the cannons and you shoot it in Scratch. So we got to do a new project, and also this is kind of like a lesson, so I can teach you all how to do it. Because Scratch isn't that hard, but the part that's hard about it is getting it right, because I always have issues with bugs and stuff. I'm currently working on RealTime Chat and translating letters, and it's not going too well. And I think this might work on mobile too. So first, got to create a good background. It's just gonna be a simple background. I'm not looking to much art this time. I'm not looking to much art at all, so it's just gonna be something very simple, like a I guess this type of a background. I guess that looks good. Maybe a bit of like circles around it and stuff. So that's it. Okay, so we gotta save our project. Alright, let's add a sprite, and we are going to, it's going to be, actually, hold on. Let's check if there's a cannon. Okay, no. So, yeah, we have this, and we are going to create our cannon. Okay, that's what we got. That's what we got. That's what we got. That's all we need. Alright, so we're gonna name it Cannon. So basically what we're gonna do with this cannon is we are going to size it down to 50. And yeah, so I have an idea of what we're gonna do, so let's get straight into it. So first, we gotta say one click forever show, unless if someone's, just in case if someone screws with it. And then basically, we need to have a, our next sprite, which is a, kind of like the shooter, the part that shoots it. So we're gonna size that down to 50. Actually 75, and basically we're going to tell it to go, okay, so when clicked, forever show and go to back layer, because we don't want that to happen. So if we do that, boom. Alright, so we gotta name it aim AI. So basically what we're going to do with this quick aim AI is we are going to make sure it does this and it moves around with our mouse pointer. So, and same with the cannon, but we're going to do it differently with the cannon. We're going to make it divided by 2, so it does it, so it moves a bit less. So, and then we'll get to the shooting part later. So, actually, we're going to do this. We're going to say this, but then have the ghost effect to 100. So where it basically is hidden, but it still can do actions. So like that. So then we want a new function to say when clicked, forever if touching mouse, or whenever. So we want the mouse down command. I never use the when sprite clicked command, or the event, because it's a terrible one. It never works correctly, and you can click that. If it's like a thing like a main menu part, then it's not that important, because you can do a lot of stupid stuff with it, and it's not important. So, and mouse. Okay, so then we're gonna say mouse, and the mouse X is. So we're gonna do this one. And then we're going to say mouse X, so it's over here. So, and if mouse X is less than, let's see, So let's grab a small pebble thing, and let's kind of put it in circumstances. So it's like right here. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's just put it as 0. So then go. Okay, so then we want not go to mouse pointer, but we want to go to point towards mouse pointer, and we also want to set our location to where it would want to go with the axis. So we want our location as that, whatever that is. So we want this. Oh wait, hold on a minute. I have to set ghost effect to 0. Oh, okay, there you go. So we have it kind of there. There's a few issues, obviously, that we gotta mention. It's not going with the axis. So actually, we're gonna create a separate function that's gonna do this, but only this. So we're gonna do something like. Actually, we're gonna do a repeat until command. So it's not. So it doesn't actually go forever. So we're gonna repeat until not mouse down. So not mouse down. So you want that, and we have. That's a mess. Okay, so we have it somewhere. We have it somewhere. We want it to point towards the mouse pointer. Oh, hold on a minute. I have an idea. So we're gonna have to do this, and then we're gonna add a join command, and that is going to be to say mouse X, mouse Y, minus distance towards it. So where's that distance? So something like that. Let's see. So basically we're gonna say like distance to cannon. Let's try that. Should that work? I don't know. I'm scared to know. Okay, so also we're gonna do this. So okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna actually set our Y to -5. We're gonna set our Y to -5. So actually, hold on a minute. I know what I'm doing wrong. I have to do it like that, and then do. Okay, so actually, let's gonna make that smaller. Maybe like, nope, too small or too big. Boom, like that, like that. Now, basically, what this is gonna do is that's gonna help us. So now it's gonna say, now it should say. Okay, actually, let's take out this part. Let's just take out this entire operator. Okay, we're getting a lot closer. So we should. I know what I'm messing up, and that's just that this isn't rotated. So we're gonna do something like that, and if we do this correctly, we're getting close. So point towards mouse pointer, but we have to set our Y. Or we gotta set our X to so hold on, let's point in direction 90 so we don't have to. Okay, so then we have to put it right there. There. We got our we have to set our X to -173. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna do a lot of important stuff. So we're gonna set our Y 4. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's see if it works. There you go. We have our little axis. So now we gotta add the enemy, and after this, we'll have to switch over to part 2. So basically, we're just gonna have little balls moving around, little balls, and we gotta add the AI. So enemy, and we're gonna say set to 50. Actually, set to 35. Not 35, but 15. There you go. That works. All right. So we will have to add a variable to say this to set the position of the aim to make it go hit the enemies, but that's gonna be in part 2. So basically, we gotta add the AI right now. So basically, we're gonna say clicked forever show, and so we're actually gonna have to set the amount of clones. So we're gonna have to have 10 clones. So set clones to 0. So then when clicked forever if actually repeat until blank equals 10. Repeat until clones equals 10. Okay, so then we're gonna create a clone myself, and basically what we're gonna do with this clone is, so whenever we start as a clone, actually we're gonna do forever hide, so to where we don't have to add extra functions for people who are not clones. So when I start as a clone, boom, and then whenever I start as a clone, we're gonna say clone start position, and we're gonna say set clone start position to pick random 1 to 10. And if so, and then basically we're gonna do a bunch of different ifs. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna add scores and stuff later, but right now we need to do this. Pick random, and then if this starts as 1, let's just do that. So basically, when it picks random, we're basically going to give it to, if this equals 5, then we're going to start it at this position. So 8, 9, boom, boom, boom. So we got to, then we would say go to blank, or go to blank, or go to blank, or go to blank, or go to blank. I also want to add random costumes to basically to where if you get the biggest ones you get more points. Blank, go to blank, go to blank, go to blank. Let's see how bad that looks. Okay. Okay. That might be bad. That might be a bit bad. So we go boom, and then we go boom, 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 boom. So yeah, we would do that, and then I also want to add FPS in a minute, so we'll probably do that soon. We're gonna add quality and stuff later to Cannon-Palooza. So then we are going to first, actually, we're gonna do this all first. So when I start as a clone, basically we're gonna pick costumes. So we're gonna have it as a gradient, and we're gonna have this as purple this time. Purple, and then purple will give you the biggest points, and then green give you the biggest. So we're gonna say set costume, set clone costume to pick random 1 to 5, and it's basically gonna have a 3-time chance or 2-time chance to get the first costume. Actually, we're gonna do 6. So basically we're gonna say if clone costume equals 1 or blank or blank. So we're gonna have it's gonna be like a half chance to get the costume, to get the correct costume. So, or to get these types of costumes. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, boom, set costume. Basically gonna say set costume to costume 1. Now we're gonna add that same function, or that same half function, and we're gonna say 4 to 5. And if we add just that quick 4 to 5, that gives it a less chance to get to costume 2. So we're gonna it's just gonna be a 1-time chance to get the other costume. So now let's try it. There you go. So we see some purple ones, you see some lime ones. I don't know why we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes no sense. Is there too many? Oh, well, yeah, no, the set clones to 0. I don't understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sometimes they're not showing, which is very confusing to me. So, I don't understand. Okay, so we're gonna press start. I don't understand. It's just gonna have to be like that, I guess. Maybe 15. Let's try that. Okay, 20. Let's try 20. 20 shouldn't be bad. Yes, I see some changing costumes. Okay, let's do this. Let's do a repeat 1. One time. One time only. Yeah, I see some literally changing costumes. Okay, I have an idea. This is gonna be a big function, but we're basically gonna add this to the beginning of a function, so we have that long of a function. Yeah, see, some are still changing costumes, which is awkward. Basically, I'm gonna say broadcast message 1 whenever loaded. So I'm gonna have a connecting. So we're gonna have this. We're gonna have a little connecting sign. We're gonna have a little connecting guy. Well, basically what this guy's gonna do is, or actually I'm gonna say loading instead, because it is actually loading. It's loading all the stuff. So, boom, boom. We're not gonna do any like set location stuff, but we're basically gonna say when clicked, forever show. When I receive message 1, forever hide. That's simple. So I don't. Okay, actually, we're actually gonna have to make it wait because it actually does take a second to load. There you go. So because it technically was loading, so I just want to make sure it works. So we're gonna make it like that. And basically, if the mouse goes over, it's gonna not shoot whenever we do that part. So guys, I think this is the end of the part 1. We got all the basics in AI done. I do want to make these guys move though. So yeah, I really want to do that. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you all so much for watching. I really enjoyed this, making this so far, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye!
Hello everyone, before you go, make sure you click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Toodaloo!